My name is Vidyashankar. I'm the Area Director of Human Resources for Hyatt Hotels based in Park Hyatt, Hyderabad. I look after the south of India from an HR perspective. The last 3 days have been really exciting and fun. Got to meet a lot of people, learn new techniques. The key learning that I carry out of it is the process of culture building in an organization. Often we take culture and values and associated behaviors that the organizations expect us to behave in a particular way for granted. It's a given thing for us, but in these 3 days of session, what I really liked and I enjoyed is to go through that process of culture building, and it's not that easy. We all have existing cultures and we all have issues associated with it, but the key remains how we live that culture, how we bring it to life in an organization, and how do we sustain it. And I think this has been a great learning that I carry from this session, especially from the industry that I come in, which is people oriented, and it's all about making a healthy culture so that people can thrive and deliver what we expect out of them.